Title: How Technology Trends Are Changing the World. Introduction. Hi there, and welcome to this video about how technology trends are changing the world. In this 3-minute video, you'll learn about some of the key trends shaping our lives, from artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things. You'll see why these trends matter and how they're impacting our daily lives. Whether you're a student, a worker, or simply curious about the world, this video is for you. Artificial intelligence. Let's start with artificial intelligence. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Think of virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. They use AI to understand and respond to your voice commands. AI is being used in many areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation. For example, AI-powered robots can assist doctors in surgeries, while AI-driven chatbots can help customers with banking services. Internet of Things. Another trend changing the world is the Internet of Things. The IoT refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data with other devices and systems. Think of your smartphone, smartwatch, or smart home devices. They're all part of the IoT. This trend is transforming industries like manufacturing, energy, and transportation, making them more efficient, productive, and connected. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. You might have heard about blockchain and cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers, ensuring security and transparency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. Blockchain is being used in finance, supply chain management, and voting systems, while cryptocurrency is used for online transactions and investments. While blockchain and cryptocurrency are still in their early stages, they have the potential to revolutionize how we think about money and transactions. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual reality and augmented reality are changing the way we experience the world. VR creates a completely immersive digital environment, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. Think of gaming, education, and entertainment. VR and AR are transforming these industries by providing new ways to engage and interact with digital content. From medical training to architectural design, VR and AR are making complex concepts more accessible and engaging. 5G networks. The rollout of 5G networks is another technology trend that's changing the world. 5G stands for fifth generation and refers to the latest wireless network technology. 5G promises faster data speeds, lower latency, and greater connectivity, enabling new applications like remote healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. Conclusion. In this video, you've seen some of the key technology trends shaping the world. From AI and IoT to blockchain and cryptocurrency, VR and AR, and 5G networks, these trends are transforming industries, economies, and societies. Recap and call to action. Recap. We've covered the following trends: artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain and cryptocurrency, virtual and augmented reality, and 5G networks. These trends are changing the world by improving efficiency, productivity, and connectivity. Call to action. If you found this video informative and engaging, please subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.